The fun has arrived. Thank you very much.
Hey, what took you so long?
I had a little pest control problem, but it's all taken care of. Oh!
Ow!
Hi, guys.
Turk, what is this? Some kind of joke?
Tell me I'm not looking at the hairless wonder.
Well, Turk said I could come along if I could keep up.
Oh, no. No, Turk, no.
I'll handle this, guys, okay? Listen, buddy, come here. We got a tiny little itsy-bitsy problem here, okay? Personally, I'd love to hang out with you. You know I would. But the guys, they need a little convincing, you know?
Okay, what do I gotta
Do? What do you gotta do? Oh, it's so stupid.
do? What?
Well, you gotta go get a hair.
A hair.
Yeah, a hair, uh-huh. An elephant hair.
An elephant hair?
Like I said, it's stupid, right? Listen, take it from me. Go home, okay? Who needs this aggravation, you know? I'm probably gonna leave soon myself. You go, I'll catch up, all right? You see? Leave it to me. I told you. Tarzan! Tarzan, no!
That one hurt him.
Look! Oh! Oh! There he is! He's alive!
Hey, guys!
Hi!
Oh, no. No, no, no. No! Come back! Come back!
Yeah, this guy's great. Hey, if you lived, you should bring him around more often.
Come on, let's go get a better seat.